So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And finally, the first insider email for the cohort 1 2026 is live. Here we'll cover some of the important tips and tricks and how you can calculate your arcade points using the insider email and how you can verify that you have got correct email or not. So all things we will cover in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming over here to the insider email, in case you haven't received this insider email, there could be two reasons. First reason is that you must have subscribed later, means you must have subscribed later means you have subscribed in the March month or maybe after 28th of February. Okay, or maybe you forgot to subscribe also. So the process is very simple. You have to click on subscribe here, and there you have to add the same email with which you have created a Cloud Skills Boost account, means Google Qwiklabs account. You have to just share the same email and just submit it. It's very simple. I've already uploaded a video regarding it. You can watch it. I will share the link in the description box. Okay, you can watch this video and understand about it, how to subscribe to Arcade. And also check your spam section. There you will surely find the email. Now let's break down this email, what this email contains. First of all, those who don't know about the Arcade Insider, so it's just like a monthly statement. You are completing arcade games, right? You are completing arcade games, and just below it you can see there are some points like arcade point. You can see we have one arcade point for this game, one arcade point for this game, and some arcade points are more than one, means 2.3 points. So all these points are added at the end of month, and you are getting a insider email. For example, arcade program started, as I have already notified you, that the arcade program started from 5th of January. Okay, so the event started from 5th of January, and most of you have completed some of the badges in January itself. Some of you started in February itself also. So whatever badges you have earned from January till February, okay, till 28th of February has been added. Now you may be worried that we have completed some of the games in March also and there is point mismatch. For that I'm just opening the mail. You can see that they have mentioned you have already earned around 26 arcade points, and it's nice going like this. There is a template message. Okay, we have to focus on the important points. So we have earned around 26 points, and these points whatever is listed over here reflects our progress from 5th of January till 28th of February. So if you started arcade, for example, you started in February itself, you must be having lesser point. I think around 13 points or 15 points it will be there. Okay, around 15 points it was in February month because there are two special games, 3-pointer game, two games were there. So like this you have to just calculate it. And how to calculate that I have received the 36 point. First of all, every month you'll be getting the insider email, and each month points will be added. Like these points, like 26 points I am having from January month and February month. Now when I'll receive the next insider email, mostly in April, it will add the March month also. So for example, it will add 11 arcade points because there are no any special games. So I'll be having 37 arcade points by then. So how to verify and how you can cross verify that you are getting correct point. So let's come to your profile. How to get into it? First of all, you have to sign to your Cloud Skills Boost account, then go to the settings, and then you have to simply scroll down. Just scroll down a bit, and from here you have to click on this URL particularly. Now here you can see all these badges are there, right? All these badges are there, and if you come to the arcade homepage, they have clearly mentioned the point system. Earlier these were known as level games. So if you see in January, you'll see there are trivia games and there is some level games also, level 1, 2, 3. So they have just renamed it. For all level games, the point structure is 1 point, so there is no confusion for it. And for trivia also, earlier trivia, now trivia is known as sprint, and earlier it was known as trivia. So the point structure is same, only the names have been changed, right? And one more thing, the special game earlier used to give 2 points, sometimes they gave 3 points, 6 points, like this. So for the special game the point structure may change, but for the level game and for the certification zone, points remain 1 badge 1 point, okay, including the sprint. So if you have to count for up to 28th of February, let's count it. So how you can count it if you don't know that which game gives us how many points? For example, you can see you can come over here in the game over page, just scroll down a bit. Here you'll find all these games which expired recently, means ended recently. Here you have to count all the games except this work meet play. Why I'm talking about it, I will tell you in the later part of the video. You have to just avoid it. So let's come over here. And from here we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now why 7, 8? Because it is giving us 2 point. If you just see over here, work life refresh, it is 2 point. So how much point we had? 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm not counting this patch because I'll tell you later. So we are having 11 points over here. Now from here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then 26, right? So we are having 26 arcade point up to 24th of February. In case you completed this challenge in 28th of February, it will be valid. So in the insider email also I am having 26 points, and as per my profile also I am verifying that I am getting correct insider email, means correct data or not. So you can see I have got 26 arcade points, because for this foundation and wonders game and this skills at pitch game we got 3 plus 3 6 points, each 3 points for each badges. So total we are having up to 20th of February, maybe it will be 28th of February for you, we are having total 26 points. Now what about these badges? Okay, what about these badges which I have earned in the March? So for this we'll be getting a separate insider email in the April month, right? It will include all the badges including these 26 points which I have already counted. So it will include all the points. Now how I can count the points? If you want to count latest points, like how much points I have, so the best way is that you can just follow the traditional method, but it will become hectic as long as more games arrive and as you complete some skill badges also in the later part, means during the facilitator program which will be coming in April. So it will become hectic for you to count the points. For that purpose, how you can benefit and use the insider email. For example, I have got this insider email in this month, and I'll be getting in March month also, in April month also, and July month also. So how I'll verify? For example, I have to count for the March month because it is a perfect example to make you understand. So here, as I have said earlier, I'm repeating it multiple times. Many of you may get annoyed, but it's very important to understand about how to count the point system. So here all points reflect up to 28th of February, but I have completed up to 24th because I completed all the challenges. Now I have 26 arcade points for the February month. Now if I want to count more points, I will count. So after the 28th of February, if I have earned any badges, I will count with the point system. For example, this game gave 1 arcade point and sprint also gave 1 arcade point. So 1, 2, that is 27, 28, 29, 30. Why 30? Because if you see over here, this game gives us 2 arcade points. So I'm just counting as per the point matrix which is listed over here. Okay. Whenever the game expires, you have to come down over here and see all the games and point system over here. If you don't know about the point system, it's a very easy way to just calculate. Now I have around 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35 arcade points. So total I'm having 35 arcade points if I just count. Similarly, I will be getting an insider email next month also, which will include, for example, I have completed only these mini games only. Okay. So total I am having 35 arcade points as of now. And if I don't complete any games, because I have missed one game which I have not completed over here, and I will do it very soon. So total we'll be having 37 arcade points. How? Let me just show you with the help of notepad. So if I'm just opening over here, let me just open it. So each month we are having 11 arcade points. So it includes 11 of Jan and 15 of Feb, and again 11 of March. Currently, as of now, only one game is missing, that is certification zone. So if I just add all of them, it will become 37, okay, including it. But I have completed only 35 games, out of which one is not available, and sorry, 35 points I am getting because I have not completed one arcade game, which will give me one arcade point. Also one arcade game, one point is missing, that is certification zone badge, which will be live very soon. Okay. So here I wanted to share that each month we'll be getting the points and it will be added over here. For example, let me just show you a demo also. So I have earned around, suppose I have earned 37 points. Let's make it proper calculation. So I have earned 37 points by March, which includes the 11 points. So in the insider email of the April month, I'll be getting that I have earned 37 arcade points from the period of maybe first week of March, from 1st March till 30th of March or 31st March. Okay. So like this, it will contain all the points, and then I will count. So for example, I'm just coming to my profile, and here up to March month, I have 37 points. Okay. Then suppose these three are April badges. Okay. I am completing April badges. So 37, 38, 39, 40. Like this, I'll be adding each month game individually if I am completing individually, or I will just add it 37 plus 11. So like this, it is a very simple method. First of all, let me just clarify. You'll be getting an insider email each month, which will contain all your points, whatever you have earned from the start till the end. You have to simply add the month which points are not listed over here. As I said earlier, here February month up to February points are there, and I have completed some of the badges of March also. I know the point system that each level game gives us one arcade point, and each special games gives us 2 or 3 arcade points, which will be listed over here in the arcade homepage. I'll just add it normally. Okay, like this 1, 2, 3. I'll just add it to my insider email. Also, if I don't want to add it, I have to simply know the formula that each month we are getting 11 arcade points with 10 arcade games, unless there is any special event or special game, okay, which gives us more than 2 arcade points. So we'll be getting 11 arcade points only. So like this, you have to just learn about the point system and just calculate it. I hope it clears your doubt that how we have to calculate the point system. Now coming over here to this game, why we are ignoring this game, that is a work meet play. So you need to understand that we don't get points for completing this batch until we have started the series. Now what does this series means? So this series means you have, if you have started in January itself, because most people started in February and most have started in March itself. So if you have started this arcade program in the January itself, then if you have completed this batch, that is a work meet play, then you need to complete the entire series from January till June. If you miss this batch in February, March, April, May, because the program will be till June. So if you miss in any month, despite of completing till May also, if you miss the June month batch, then you won't be getting any point, even 1 point also. So if you're starting from February itself, do not complete this batch. There is no point, and there are large number of labs also. Instead, you can devote your time to other remaining labs and get some more points over here. And one more important thing, each month there will be fresh set of games. You have to complete all the fresh set of games. I'll find the solution for that. You can just check out the description, and in the description box of these videos and any video, you'll find the master sheet. From here, if you want to know more about the arcade program you are completely new in Hindi and in English also, so you can see these are the 2 playlists. You can see all things I've covered in Hindi also, and all things I've covered in English also. From here you can just understand each and everything, how to participate, how you can enable the check my progress bar, and what are game spots, what is arcade insider email, can you use same laptop for multiple accounts or not. All things I've covered, how to share your credits if you are having more than one account. So all things I've already covered. And for these games which are listed over here in the arcade homepage, how I'll find it, you have to just come over here and just click on monthly games. See, sometimes due to technical issues, this sheet is not updated. So if the sheet is not updated, you can navigate to the channel playlist, which I will come to you, do not worry. So here all the games are listed over here. On the right side, the solution guide is there. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to the playlist, and from here you can complete all the labs without any issue. And if it is not updated, you can come to the channel playlist. Here you'll find all the badges name, and the solution guide is there. You have to open the playlist and complete all labs one by one, and all the solutions are updated and working too. Okay, so you can, like this, you can complete and understand about the arcade program, and all the updates are there in the channel. Make sure to check it out, and do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.